Well, let's look at this. We're gonna be welding this. It's about 0120, okay, 0120 and 11 gauge, okay. So let's see, let's work this out. This machine here is totally different from this machine. I know this machine like the back of my hand, and I trust my welding on here. I don't trust this yet because it's a new machine to me. So I have to learn this machine before I weld any project onto my anybody's car. So I gotta learn this thing first. So here it is. That is to turn to 220 or 24 volt, and the wire speed is 305. So let's try that. 24 volt. Wire speed 305. 306, that's close enough. So let's go try it. Okay, back. All right. The heck? Oh, it's beautiful. Check this out, guys. Wow. That's some beautiful bead. Okay. Okay, so let's complete the whole thing. Come on. Okay. Oh, I love the way this thing welds. I can see my puddle very, very well. Better than Lincoln. Wow. Okay. Look at this. I can control this thing better than my Lincoln. This is my first weld ever. So this is how this bad boy looks. Holy cow. This is my first time ever welding this. Look at the beads. It's so flat. It's beautiful. Oh man, my Lincoln cannot beat this. Wow. Sorry, I don't have my wire brush right here to clean the thing, but if you're a welder, you'll know that this thing is totally different from the Lincoln. Holy cow, that's beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna have to slowly learn this machine right here. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.